Hello students, uh, how are you? So earlier we have discussed about definition of personality and dimensions of personality. ठीक है जी. So today we'll be discussing about types of personality. वैसे तो different authors have given different types of definitions. ठीक है जी, like what Sheldon, Jung, ठीक है जी, they have written about they have classified personality into different parts. ठीक है जी. So there are different views of different types of people or authors, those who have defined it in a different way. Okay? Like what today we'll be discussing about types of personality. Like what it is your third topic in your ninth chapter. Like what it is mentioned in your book, or according to psychologists, the personalities of following types. ठीक है जी, it is written type A, type B, type C to type D. They are differentiated person due to their behavior in daily routine. ठीक है जी. So type A personality. They have differentiated the person according to the behavior he possesses in daily routine. ठीक है जी. So we'll be starting with type A personality. The person with this type of personality are very competitive. They are self-critical and highly involved in work. Means they want to achieve highest post in their life. They want to achieve maximum in their life. ठीक है जी. They are self-critical and highly involved in work. Means they see that what I am doing wrong. ठीक है, how can I amend it? ठीक है जी. They always do good for others. ठीक है जी. They are easily excited and they usually fall prey to hypertension. They always struggle all the time. They become impatient with delays. They are easily aroused to anger, hostility and aggression. They are likely to be the victim of heart diseases. So they have explained this type A personality. I told you that they are very highly competitive in nature. They want a result to be, if they have started any of the program or business, they want the result should come within few months or days. If they have to wait, then they start feeling anxiety. Anxiety means uneasiness. ठीक है जी. It is written in your book also. They become impatient with delays. If anything is delayed in their work, they become impatient. कि why it has been delayed? It should be completed within no time. ठीक है जी. They are easily aroused to anger, hostility and aggression. कि they usually get angry. ठीक है जी. So aggression means गुस्सा आ जाता, बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता उन्होंने. They are likely to be the victim of heart diseases. With blood pressure high, so they usually fall as victim of heart diseases. So first type of personality psychologists have defined like that. Next is type B personality. The person with type of personality are not competitive in nature. They do not become angry and hostile. They are able to express their emotions properly. They are able to cope up with stress efficiently. They are not overachiever, over ambitious in life. They are generally satisfied in their life. मतलब कि about if you'll discuss about type B personality, these are those type of people, those who don't have any competition with others. They don't feel like competing with others. अगला कहता है कि I'll concentrate on my work. I'll keep on doing hard work. I'm not bothered whether that person is progressing at very high heights with less time. But he keep on concentrating on his work only. they are usually satisfied in their life, means they don't bother कि चलो यार जिन्ना आ गया उन्ना ही ठीक है, they don't want कि आ भी आ जाए आ भी आ जाए आ भी आ जाए, ठीक है जी. They are usually they don't have any competition with any person, they are having competition with themselves only कि they have to do work and they have to achieve something, ठीक है जी. So next is type C. This individual, the individual with this type of personality are pleasing and appeasing in nature. Pleasing means they are very cozy. If any person comes to them, they feel like कि they behave with that person very nicely. Appeasing nature means attractive nature. कि यार you feel like talking to them. कि they are having a very very good nature. So people wants to talk to them. ठीक है. They are unable to express their emotion. That is the reason why they are not able to express their emotion, that they कि सामने वाला hurt ना हो जाए. If the person standing in front of them should not get hurt, so they are not able to express their emotions. They efficiently suppress their emotions. वो अपने दबा देंगे, suppress कर देंगे emotions ਨੂੰ, so that लोगों ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਨਾ पता लगे कि whether he is, what kind of things are going in his mind or heart. ठीक है जी. They are lethargic, passive, hopeless and pessimistic. Lethargic means सुस्त. वो सुस्त हो जाते, अगला कहता छੱਡ परे यार की लोड़ है किसी नाल गल कर, what is the need of talking to. Passive means showing no feeling of reaction or interest. They don't show any interest in anything कि जो कोई हो भी रहा अगला कहता ठीक है जी जो हो रहा है सो हो रहा है, I am not bothered. ठीक है जी. They are not taking any interest or in anything. They don't have any feelings. ठीक है जी. Next is hopeless and pessimistic. Then pessimistic means the word has come in your book, that pessimistic. Pessimistic means the people who keeps on thinking about that bad things will come to them. Pessimistic ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ ਕਿ the person who keeps on thinking that ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਾੜਾ ਹੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਹੈ, ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਾੜਾ ਹੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਹੈ, ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਮਾੜਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਊਗਾ, it will the things will go bad with me, this will, if I'll do this thing then this thing will be affected. So they keep on thinking about negative feelings. So ठीक है, they keep on thinking that bad things will happen to them. That is the meaning of pessimistic. They feel alone and loneliness began in early life. So that is the reason why they keep themselves away from society. They keep on sitting in one place with no person, no friends. They किसी ना interact नहीं करते. They keep on sitting at one place and loneliness comes in their life, in early life only. Next is type D personality. The person with this type of personality generally suffer from high distress. Such people do not share their emotions with other people because they always fear of rejection and disapproval. Some person, what type 4 we will be talking about, कि some person are like that, they don't talk to anyone. Suppose you are having something in your heart and you want to share it with your friends. It doesn't mean that all the friends will be like them. अगला मजाक भी डाल सकता थोड़ी गल दा. They can make, if you are having 20 friends, doesn't mean that all 20 friends will take care of your emotions. Some say यार एवें मरी जाता है, एवें करी जाता है, एवें करी जाता है. ठीक है, they are not ready to share anything with you, or if you are not sharing, that is the reason why they keep on thinking that if I'll share something with my friends or any person in the society, they'll make fun of that. So that is the reason it is written in your book that they do not share their emotions with person because they always fear to have rejection and disapproval. कि ये लोग मेरी गल दा कहना नहीं मनणगे ते मेरी गल दा मजाक उड़ाउणगे. Such person usually prone to heart disorders. They are susceptible to high blood pressure. उन्होंने गुस्सा आउंदा रहिंदा, सोचदे ही रहिंदे. They keep on thinking inside. ठीक है जी. Then inflammation, depression. That usually when they don't talk to anyone, then they fall in the prey of depression. They have high risk of premature death. They lead a poor quality of life. Actually, in society you can lead a good life if you interact with others, if you share your feelings with others. For that you have to have very good friends. You can't have 100 friends. You must have 4 or 5 friends, those who know about you, those who can listen to your emotions, the person whom you can talk to. कि यार ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਕੇ I feel satisfied. So these are the 4 types of personality different psychologists have given, and rest of the psychologists what they have written, Sheldon and Jung, will be discussing about this thing in later classes. So you keep on attending your physical education classes also, so that your syllabus should be covered in proper time. ठीक है जी? So thank you very much.